In this ProfitHub review, I'm going to be showing you how you can get unlimited hosting for unlimited websites at a one-time price. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you how you can get a discount on the offer you see on the sales page and on every single one of the OTOs. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out ProfitHub, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And please hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you on my bonus page, you're going to find a bunch of special bonuses, including past products here, past softwares that you're going to be getting as a special bonus. They'll all be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says get unlimited cloud hosting for all your sites and domains at a low one-time price. 12,000 customers already trust us with their sites. It says get the world's first host unlimited websites on rock solid cloud servers for a one-time record fee. Say goodbye to wasting hundreds of dollars on expensive limiting subscriptions to hosting companies now with 100% uptime, 60-second setup, and hacker-proof structure here. So essentially what you're getting is you're getting access to their server so that you can host all of your websites. If you're currently paying for something like HostGator or Bluehost or any of these other hosting companies and you don't want to pay monthly fees anymore, maybe you've just got a small website, you don't need a big website, big hosting infrastructure for it, then this could be something that is right for you, especially if you're not using a lot of resources. Host all of your website's data, including files, images, and graphics, unlimited bandwidth, no monthly or yearly fees with this at all. Step one, just enter in your domain name inside the cloud hosting. Step two, just use their 60 seconds setup wizard. I'm going to show you how that works in a second here. And step three, access and share from all over the world. Anyone, anywhere can use this. So they've got some screenshots here. These these sales have nothing to do with this, so I don't know why they're putting these screenshots on here. Our competition, okay, this one right here does have something to do with this. So people do charge like hundreds of dollars for people to host their website. So that one, okay, that's fine here. So yeah, they say you could either go and you could pay for expensive recurring hosting, or you can go and you can use their option that's going to be a one-time hosting, one-time fee to be able to host all your websites on. You can have unlimited personalized email accounts and bandwidth, unlimited free SSL certificates. They have fast loading, a next generation control panel, a free one-click installation for WordPress. You can set up unlimited cron jobs if you know what that is. If you don't know what it is, don't worry about it. Unlimited secure shell protocol and state-of-the-art malware and spam protection for your website. Now, this is going to be, I'm going to scroll down here. This is going to be a one-time fee for this. And make sure when you come to this page, try moving your mouse away. A lot of times what they'll do is they'll give you like a little bit of a discount and they'll have a little pop-up that comes up there. So just make sure you move your mouse away. Maybe you'll be lucky enough to get a discount on this front-end offer. I think it's like $2 off if you can find that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play you a quick little demo. And then I'm going to be back to show you my backend area of this, a website actually hosted with this, and all of the different OTOs and how you can get a discount on them.
This is just one out of the 12,000 websites we're currently hosting on ProfitHub. Here's another one. And there are so many more that cover every topic from Udemy lookalikes to video news to anything you want. With integrated SSL certificates, there are no limits to what you can do with ProfitHub. All you have to do is go to your login screen, fill out your login information, log in. From here, we can start adding email inboxes, domains. So let's take it step by step. Let's first add our new email. It's as simply as typing in your email address, profithub@apponline.cloud. We'll create a custom password for us, have it unlimited, and edit. Bam, done. We can add mailboxes, an email box, aliases. groups, anything we want, from emails, domains, FTP accounts, MySQL, as well as edit your own htaccess files and then go into Softaculous. First up, let's just add our first domain. Adding a domain is as easy as clicking on add and then simply typing your address. For example, let's just say it's profithub.com. We check it. We can select the PHP version depending on what we have available, and then simply click add and done. From here, we can then give it a new SSL certificate if we click right here, and we can generate this certificate by clicking on generate all with Let's Encrypt. So you don't have to do anything, you don't have to purchase any SSL certificates, you don't have to waste any more money. We do it all for you. From here, you just pick your alternative name, usually just profithub.com is enough, your email address, and then click generate and it's done. Going back to our main dashboard, you can have full control over your account. So you can add new users as easy as adding them right here, selecting their own permissions. For example, if you want to sell ProfitHub features as a service, that's also possible, as you can edit anything they have access to, as well as locking certain domains. You can view logs, you can see recent visitors, and also set a 2FA authentication. But let's quickly install WordPress. So if we go to Softaculous, here we can see a bunch of different scripts we can automatically install onto our account. But let's go for WordPress. Installing WordPress is as easy as choosing the protocol, the domain you want, which is going to go with apponline.cloud, the directory, I'm just going to choose WP. Everything can stay the same. We can select our own theme, and then I'll just tell them to email the installation details to my email. We wait a couple of minutes and done. We just have installed WordPress on our domain. So now if we go to it, there we go, and we also just received the email for it. If we go to it, we're going to see the WordPress we just installed with the theme we just selected. And we can do this with hundreds of other scripts Softaculous offers for you, with automated backups, access to real-time statistics, and your own file manager, as well as training videos from how to create your account to installing WordPress and using difficult scripts. ProfitHub has got you covered from all angles. There is really nothing that can limit you when you're using ProfitHub. So go ahead, make that purchase, take advantage of this unlimited offer, and I can't wait to see you inside.
Okay, so we are back. Again, here's the backend area that you saw before. Really easy to use, really easy to be able to look in here, see all of your different, the bandwidth that you've used, your disk space, your email inboxes, all your bandwidth usage, your master domain, your IP address. You can do all this stuff. If you're technical, you can use the technical stuff. If you're not technical, then it's easy to get set up and not worry about that either. Now, they do have, here's an example of a website actually hosted with their hosting, believe it or not, where you can see it's hosting a video here. It's got all this stuff on it. I mean, this is a normal website that you can host with this. Now, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 OTOs. Let's take a look at these. So the first one here says lock in the commercial license. So you can get unlimited backups and your very own premium site builder with this. If you're wondering how you're going to build a website, well, this is going to give you that builder. You have commercial rights. So you can sell this as a service. You can like host other people's websites for them and charge them for it. This is a pretty cool thing, because you could go in a place like Fiverr and offer hosting for websites and host them for people and charge for it. Now, this is already going to be a low price, but make sure when you get to this page and any of these OTOs, click the no thanks button. And what that's going to do is it's going to take you over to a discounted version of the same offer. So it's going to be a bit of a discount on it. Just make sure you click no thanks on it, and it will say, like, congratulations, you've unlocked a special one-time discount for that. So let's look at the next one. This one says get 10 times more results with the enterprise version of this. With this enterprise version, what do you get? You get a cloud autoresponder. You get automated 24/7 offsite cloud storage, deluxe monetization features. They say you get automated traffic, a bunch of extra features with this. Again, make sure that you do what I tell you. Click that no thanks, and it should take you over to a place where you can get a lower look. Congratulations, you've just unlocked a special one-time discount. I make less money as an affiliate by showing these to you, but my hope is that you'll keep coming back to me when you're looking for reviews, because you'll know that I'll show you the lowest price. Give me a like if you like that. So that's that one there. The next one is you can actually sell ProfitHub licenses and keep all the money. So instead of just selling hosting to someone and setting up their hosting for them, you could just say, I'm just going to sell you this system. You get unlimited hosting. So again, with this, you want to do the whole little no thanks trick on this, and you should be able to get a discount. Yep, you should be able to get a discount on that one as well. This one here, this one that says 24/7 income streams. It's like a make money type thing here. So if you want to check that out, you can hit that no thanks, get the discount. And the last one, this is let us give you all of our best selling present and future products for a one-time fee. So you can get this one here. Again, do the little no thanks trick and get that discount on it. What do I like about ProfitHub and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I mean, if you're paying one time for this, so you really can't expect it to be as good as something like a HostGator or a Bluehost where you're paying a monthly or a yearly fee for it. You just can't expect that. This is definitely for people that are really like trying not to spend a lot of money. If you don't have a big website, you've got a small website that you want to host, this is who that's for. What do I like about this? Again, if you're on a budget, this is something that could be good for you. If you're someone that just really doesn't matter to you, if you have something that is a monthly software, you really want to pay that one-time fee, you've got maybe a few different websites that you want to host on this, or maybe you've got a lot of websites and you don't want to worry about paying monthly or yearly for it. If that sounds like you, or if you're someone that wants to get the commercial license and sell this as a service, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at ProfitHub, go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And if you made it this far, hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.